Most buyers don't lose deals at the closing table. They lose them at the kitchen table the night before when they're staring at a contract and realizing they have no idea if their loan is actually solid. I'm Palmer Holland. I'm a mortgage lender here in DFW, and I've been doing this for about 10 years. And in that time, I've seen good buyers, serious buyers, buyers who did everything right, lose homes they loved because nobody sat them down before the offer and walked them through exactly what was going on with their financing. So that ends today. In the next 8 minutes, I'm going to show you 3 mistakes that kill offers before they start, what a real pre-approval actually looks like, and the exact checklist I walk every one of my buyers through before they put pen to paper. If you're buying a home in the next, say, 3 to 18 months, in DFW or really anywhere, stay right here. This is the video nobody showed you that I'm going to show you. Let's talk about the 3 mistakes I see over and over again. Mistake number 1, wrong loan type. Not every loan works on every house. If you're going into a bidding situation with an FHA loan on a property that needs work, you may be competing against conventional buyers whose loan will close faster and with fewer conditions. And it's not your fault, but it's something your lender should have told you before you fell in love with the house. Mistake number 2, unknown debt. Buyers get pre-approved and then 6 weeks later, they go buy a couch on a credit card or they co-sign on a loan for a family member, and now their debt to income ratio is blown and their loan is unfortunately denied 3 days before closing. I've seen it. It's brutal. Don't touch your credit after pre-approval. Nothing. Mistake number 3, no rate conversation. The rate you see advertised online is not the rate you're going to get. Your rate depends on your credit score, your loan size, your down payment, and what the market is doing the date you lock. If nobody has had that conversation with you, you're flying blind on honestly the biggest purchase of your life. These 3 things are flexible, but you have to know about them first. Here's what most lenders give you: a pre-approval letter with a number on it. Here's what that letter does not tell you: whether your income is fully documented, whether the property type you're looking at is eligible for the loan, whether your rate is realistic, or whether there are any conditions that could blow up the deal. A letter is not a plan. What I give my buyers is different. Before we ever talk about making an offer, I want to know your full financial picture: income, assets, debts, employment history, credit profile. I want to run your entire scenario through underwriting guidelines before you're emotionally attached to a house. And I want to give you a maximum purchase price that you can actually defend in a competitive offer, not just a number that sounds good on paper. So I also want to give you a direct conversation with your real estate agent, because honestly, the best transactions I've ever been a part of are the ones where the agent, the buyer, and me, the lender, are all in sync before the offer goes in. That's what a real pre-approval looks like. If your lender hasn't done all of that, call me. Okay, here's your action plan. 3 things to do before your next offer. Number 1, get fully underwritten. Not just, pre-approved. Ask your lender if the file has been reviewed by an underwriter, not just a loan officer. A fully underwritten pre-approval means a human being at the bank has already looked at your income, your assets, and your credit. That's a significantly stronger position when you're competing for a home. So number 2, have the conversation about your loan type options. Ask your lender, given my down payment and my credit, what loan types am I eligible for? And which one makes me the strongest buyer for the type of home I'm looking at? If they can't answer that clearly, get a second opinion. Number 3, set a realistic rate expectation. Go into the process knowing that your rate is going to be specific to you, not the number you see on a billboard. Ask for a loan estimate with a realistic rate based on your actual credit profile. Know what your payment looks like at that rate. Don't let a number surprise you on the day 1 of your offer. If you do these 3 things, you are already more prepared than 80% of the buyers in this market. Here's why this matters right now, specifically in DFW. We are in a market where inventory is opened up a little. There are more homes to choose from than there were, say, 2 years ago. And that's actually dangerous for buyers because it creates a false sense of time. People think, oh, there are more homes, I have more room to breathe, than they do until they find the one they want. And then they're competing in Fort Worth and Keller and Southlake and Frisco. The well-priced homes that show well are still moving. And when a good home hits the market at the right price, offers come in fast. If you're not ready, if your lender hasn't done the work, if your agent doesn't have a clean pre-approval in hand, you lose. The buyers winning right now aren't necessarily offering the most money, they're the cleanest offers. They're the buyers who are fully documented, whose lender picks up the phone when the listing agent calls, and who don't have conditions that make sellers nervous. That's a process problem, not a money problem. It's completely fixable. If you want to be in that group, the buyers who close, the foundation is starting with the right lender and the right plan. If this helped you, hit subscribe. I put out content every week for buyers and the agents who work with them right here in DFW and beyond. If you're thinking about buying in the next few months, and you want to walk through your specific situation, there's a link in the description to book a call directly with me. No pressure, no pitch, just clarity on where you stand. And if you're a real estate agent watching this, send this video to your buyers. Seriously, the more educated your buyers are walking into the transaction, the smoother your deals close. That's good for everybody. Again, I'm Palmer Holland with Meridian Mortgage. We'll see you on the next one.